mighty, he likes to go. He likes to use the basket.
Get him, Dexter.
No, Willie,
Pheasant.
Which way is it facing?
It is right here.
All right. Dexter.
Here you go.
Nice, Jim.
1 for 1.
There we go. All right, folks, we are out here for our annual Thanksgiving pheasant hunt. We got Dad and Jim shooting, and I'm VidCam dude. So we got one down, and we're on the move. So stay tuned. Should be fun. We're 1 for 1. We just gotta find the birds now.
He's everywhere.
Put all the chuckers back in here.
Come on. You see it? Yep. There.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, here you go, Kyle. He's right. Right.
I'm gonna drive him right.
He goes to your left.
There.
Up, there. There you go, Kyle.
Carl. You got over there. Hold on. Dad.
Yeah, they were, I mean, he could have got that. I think they would have. How dumb that? Well, I mean,
Come on, Dexter.
I'm ready. All right. Oh, it's a hand. Dick. Ready?
Yep.
You see it? All right.
Nice job.
I don't know if that was me or Jim.
We tagged him. We got him. Dick.
Hold on. All right, I'm ready again. If you get him up.
Right?
Yep.
Wow.
Your way.
I'll tell you what.
Get the Jim. Yeah, he's got to try fly out right where that other one's put.
Hold on a second. All right.
Dick.
Nice job, boys. Nice
At the beginning there, I was like, he's a little too close right now.
Nice job, boys.
Yeah. Hold on, see what he does.
Yeah.
Whatever was there, he thought they ain't there anymore, I bet.
Yeah.
Well,
I bet you hadn't been gone for long either.
he ain't figured it out. He's like, what the heck?
Yep.
Oh, he's right here, Jim. He's right here, facing this way.
All right, let me know when you're ready. Get down there when you're ready.
Dick.
All right, I'm ready.
No.
Come on, buddy.
Dick.
I see him running.
Dick. Dick.
Oh, sorry.
Did you shoot that?
I didn't want to shoot him in half.
Curtis is a shooter.
Yeah, I thought he shot.
Curtis don't hold back. All right, this is the tally after 2 trips through the field.
I'm good, thank you.
Still got 2 chuckers and a pheasant yet to go on what we released, but 100% success on what we found. So boys are doing a good job shooting.
Yeah! Good job! Good job, nice shot, man.
I ain't 100% sure. That may not be the same bird.
We're still
don't
missing
count.
a couple of chuckers.
Yeah, we don't count.
Oh, okay.
Missing 2 chuckers still.
Right there.
Quail.
Quail.
Oh,
We got one. We got one. We got one.
I got him! Got it? Here. Here, Dexter. Here.
Let me get a shot of him, Curtis.
Yeah, baby! First quail to forever!
Let me get a shot, Curtis.
Dude, we're picking up birds now.
In the bonus round.
Hey.
Bonus.
Hey.
Bonus quail,
Let's see it,
boys.
Curtis. Let's see it,
Hang
man.
Hold on.
That's a wild quail, too.
Wild? Oh yeah, because you guys don't do them anymore, right?
We ain't turned that loose for years.
Nice.
Nice bone.
Hey, they could make up for one of our chuckers. Nice. 20 gauge is swinging. Big Chukar. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, yeah, that'd be good. Okay, he's getting first.
He's good.
He's got to die.
Whoa! Oh wait, he just got in the tree.
No, he's dying. There he went down.
He's falling down the tree.
Sorry guys, I should have hit him, bro. It's okay.
Watch where he goes. Dexter, no.
Okay.
Dexter didn't have or
Curtis, no shells in the gun, man.
Dexter, good boy. Only a year old. Found all them birds.
That's a dark, huh? But you better put a collar on.